What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David Brand New, and I'm back with another video for you all. And today we got another freaking banger video for you guys, all right? Today we're gonna be unboxing an electric scooter. This one seems pretty cool. I looked up the specs last night on the website. Has some dope features. It's pretty affordable. We're gonna unbox it today. Hopefully it has a charge so we can take it for a quick little ride. And I'll let you guys know how I feel about this scooter. The brand is Megawheels, all right? You can find them at megawheels.com. They sell electric scooters, electric bikes. This one's gonna be a commuter scooter. All right, they said the only thing we have to do is assemble the handlebar and we're good to go. Comes with this little tool. This one's cool. I'm gonna have to keep this one. Normally I throw them away. It's got a little handle on it. It's a small little Allen wrench. And then comes with the 6 screws needed to lock in that handlebar. Should only take you about 5 minutes to do this. Guys, this is the A6L Max electric scooter. Current price is $469.99, but if you use code A6LMAXDC, you can get $200 off, and it's gonna drop it down to $269, guys, all right? This thing is freaking sick, check that out. Got a bell, got a brake, thumb throttle, built-in LCD screen. We got 3 bars of battery. Max is 5, so we do need to charge it at some point. So double press this button, you can change the speed. So now we're in high. It has a low, medium, high, all right? There's a speedometer right there. Right now it's in kilometers per hour. I'm sure you can change that within the app. So to turn on the headlight, we push the button 1 time and you should see the indicator pop up. We do have lights. It is daytime, so you can barely see it. And then right here on the rear, we do have the tail light. This one looks pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see if we mash the brake. Does it do anything? It flashes. Right here in the rear, we do have a rear hub motor. I actually like it when the hub motor is in the back. Most of these budget-friendly scooters have the hub motor in the front, and I just personally don't like it. Nice and compact. You can throw it in your car and take it to the beach. You can take it to work. You can do whatever you want to freaking do with this scooter, because it's yours. All right, so since we have power, let's go ahead and hop on this joint and see what it's talking about. Oh, look at the freaking light on the side. That's sick. So when you turn on the lights, the side light turns on as well. It's pretty tight, look at that. That's kind of dope. You don't just go by pressing the throttle, you gotta push to start. 12 miles per hour now, 13. 14. Okay, we're going 15 in medium, so we should be able to go faster than that in high. Let's see how fast we can go in high mode. Brakes work pretty decently. Was that a Road Runner? The freak. All right, we got it in high. Let's see how fast we can go now. Oh, it's taking off. We're going 15. Oh, shoot. Heck yeah, you can go faster than 15. This joint is pretty quick. We're going 19 miles per hour, guys. Let's go. Hey, this is decent. I'm not mad at it at all. Okay, Megawheels, okay. It's got narrow handlebars, so not the best steering. I wouldn't be like making sharp turns with this joint, but it's okay. Yeah, we're moving, guys. It's not slow. It is definitely not slow. See how we go down here? You. Ooh, okay. We're gonna go through the sandy, patchy, grassy area. Nice. Okay, we got 2 bars of battery, guys. Oh my gosh, we're not gonna go far at all. I'm gonna fully charge it and we're gonna do a longer ride for sure. Oh yeah, we're moving. 25, it maxes out at 25, even though we're probably going faster than that. We have to be going at least 20 miles per hour right now, trailing behind this Tesla. So yeah, this would be perfect to take to work, like if you have to park far or something and you want to hop on a scooter, right? You can do that. Like if you have to park in a parking structure, that would be pretty fun. Or if you have to commute to work and you don't live too far, you don't want to spend these high gas prices, definitely get one of these. You can save a lot of money doing that. Or if you just want to take it to the beach and just cruise around, it'd be perfect for that. I definitely wouldn't take this joint off-road. Definitely wouldn't take this joint up any hills. But other than that, it's pretty freaking good. Like I said, this is the Megawheels A6L Max electric scooter. It packs 10-inch solid tires. It's got a 36-volt, 10.4 amp hour battery with a 500-watt motor. The max speed on this scooter is 25 kilometers per hour and about 45 kilometers of range. And with the app control function, you have intelligent lighting. It also has a smart lock, and the scooter is ideal for commuting in the city. It has the front drum brake and also has an electronic brake in the motor, all right? So when you engage that brake up top, it will engage both of the brakes. It's got an auto on and off lighting. The headlight and the tail light activate automatically in the dark, providing illumination for your trip. The blue light serves not only as a decorative light, but also automatically flashes when turning. They said it takes 3 seconds to fold this joint. We're gonna test that out right now. Hold on. 3, 2, 1, go. Heck no, it don't take no 3 seconds. This freaking lever is hard to do. There you go. More like 10 seconds, guys. Fast enough, but 3 seconds, you're pushing it. As you can see, we have a full charge. Let's do this top speed run. Your boy weighs 205 pounds and I got on a heavy backpack right now, so probably about 215 pounds. Okay, keep that in mind. If you're a lighter rider, you probably can go a little bit faster. Here we go. First test, throttle only. 3, 2, 1, go. So you do need to kick off to start, but you can change that in the settings as well. Here we go. We're going 13 miles per hour. We're tucking. We're tucking. We're going 15 miles per hour. We're in high mode. I am fully tucked, guys. 15 miles per hour. Looks like 15 miles per hour is the top speed when the scooter is locked. But so far, 15 feels pretty decent on this scooter. It doesn't have like wide handlebars, doesn't have suspension. So I don't know if I want to go 30 miles per hour on a scooter like this. You know what I mean? Let's see if we can get it to 20 though. We're going to hold the brake, turn the power on, and hold the throttle for 20 seconds. We're gonna wait just to make sure, and that should have been 20 seconds. We're gonna let go. Boom, 27 mile. I don't know what that meant. It did say 27 mile. And now if that means 27 miles per hour, this joint is more than enough fast. We're gonna test it out right now. You guys ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick start, and we're moving. Let's see how fast we can go. We're in high mode. We're gonna tuck down. Currently going 12, 13, 14, 15. Can we go faster than 15? Come on, come on. Can we go faster than 15? No, we cannot. What the freak, Google? I thought we had something there, guys. We are at the designated hill climb test spot. This is where we take every single e-bike, every single e-scooter. We put it on this hill to see if it has a decent amount of power, just in case you don't want to pedal, you don't want to kick push up a hill. Let's see if this one can make it up the hill. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Slow start. Now we're picking up speed. Currently going 11 miles per hour. 12. Come on, can we go any faster than 12? Come on, pick up the speed. Oh no, this is not good. This is not good. We're approaching the hill. 10 miles per hour. We're stuck at 9. Oh, we're dropping. 8. No, we're not gonna make it up the hill at all. 7, 6, 5. It's unrideable at 3 miles per hour, not gonna lie. 4. And we're gonna end the test there. No way, Jose. If you wanna get a workout, definitely get this joint and take it up every single hill in your city. You will be burning calories at that point. So guys, what are we saying about the Megawheels A6L Max. I think it's dope. Overall, I think it's a cool scooter. I like the fact that it has a rear hub motor. I like the fact that it's compact. You can throw it in your car. It's perfect for those days you don't want to carry nothing heavy, but you still want to get out, have some fun, right? Overall, the speed, I wish it was a little bit faster, okay? Like I said, I wish we can go at least 20 miles per hour on this joint. I tried to look it up online to see if we can unlock it. Unfortunately, that did not work. These commuter scooters are usually like $300 and up, so you can't really beat it, you know what I mean? If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description down below. Definitely check out Megawheels. They might have a different scooter option, different e-bike option for you, all right? Check out the website, and yeah, let me know what you guys think about this scooter in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, deuces like that. Yeah.